Hey guys, before this video starts, I want to tell you that we are now beginning our channel and this is the last test video we're going to do. The animation was also a test video to see if our video quality was well, and we were not doing this because we were getting better equipment. Right now I'm using my microphone and hopefully you guys can hear me and it sounds well. So yeah, subscribe for more and stay tuned for more videos. Real videos. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoy and keep on liking and subscribing. I'm new to this, so please don't judge me. Oh guys, by the way, also in this video, I don't know how to play the whole song, so I played as much as I can. So, back to the video.
The shadow to my light, did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you? Under the bright, the faded lights, you set my heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you now?
Thank you guys for watching this video, and tell me guys in the comments if the audio sounded good, if the video quality was good, because I won't be looking at this video again. I'm just doing it for your guys' opinion, so there's no reason for me to watch it myself, because my opinion is nothing. It's all about what you guys think. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get ready for more in the future.